or welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Company. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Sanchari and I do videos on makeup reviews and hauls. So today I have come up with yet another makeup video, and that is for Diwali Lakshmi Puja day 1. I'm wearing this Indian outfit in which my dress has got some pinks, greens, and I try to incorporate that into my look. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I already did my skincare routine, moisturized my face, and now I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich Face Base. This acts as a moisturizer as well as a primer. Next, for the primer, I'm going to use NYX Honey Dew Me Up Primer. This will give me a nice glowy finish. And I am lightly pressing the product into my skin. To blur out my pores, I'm using this Farsali Skin Tune Blur Primer. Farsali is now available on Nykaa, so you can get your hands on it. For my foundation, I'm using this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation in the shade 09, and I will be applying it with a foundation brush from Real Techniques. And here I'm buffing and blending the foundation to give an even flawless look. For my highlighting concealer today, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Sand, and I will be highlighting the usual areas like under my eyes, the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, chin and the forehead, and I'm blending it out with the same foundation brush. All the products that I'm using in this video have been linked in the description box for you guys, and then I'm taking a concealer brush to further blend out the concealer. With my Rimmel transparent loose powder, I will be setting the highlighted area so that it does not crease on me. And for the entire face, I'm using this Lakme 925 pressed powder in the shade Apricot, and I will be setting my entire face. Then for my contour today, I'm using this Rimmel Kate palette, and I will be contouring my cheekbones, the forehead, the jawline, and also I'll be contouring my nose as well. If you're working with this palette, then you'll have to go little light-handed, because if you go heavy-handed, there will be mistakes which will be very difficult to rectify, and also it may turn little muddy. And then I'm blending it out with a sponge so that it looks even. I will be also doing some reverse contour to give that chiseled look, because I want to hide that extra fat on my face, and immediately I will dust it off with a powder brush. Then for my bronzer, I'm using Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep, and I will be bronzing my skin to give a nice sun-kissed glow. Eyebrows are done off camera, and for eyeshadow I'm taking the shade Nectar from Tan Beauty, and I will build up my crease shade. I will build up little by little unless and until I'm happy with the color payoff. Then with the shade Blow a Kiss, I will further deepen my crease area, and I'll be using a tapered blending brush for this, and then I will blend out with a clean blending brush to cancel out any harsh edges. For my lid color, I'll be using Bad Habit Dream State palette, but before that I will be using some glitter glue for my eyeshadows to stick on. If you're using any shimmer eyeshadow and you want the pigment out of it to pop, you can use a glitter glue beneath. Then taking that olive green shade, I will place it on my entire lid and blend out the edges with a brush. Then taking that coal shade, I will place it right at the outer corner and further blend it out with the shade Blow a Kiss. To make it look some extra festive, I am going to use this glitter from Swiss Beauty palette and placing it over that olive green shadow. I'll be lining my upper and lower waterline with Nykaa I Am Black Kajal, and then I will blend out that black coal with the shade Kamikaze. And then with this Colourpop Ooh La La palette, I'll be taking that neon pink shade and further blend out that Kamikaze shade, highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone with the shade Highlight. and giving a last blend to make it look seamless. For my eyeliner today I'm using the Balm Cosmetics Shrink Eyeliner, and I will line my top lash line using my Too Faced Damn Girl mascara to give a nice voluminous and lengthy lashes, which I don't have actually. Applied some false lashes off camera. To bring back some flush of color to my cheeks, I'm using this blush palette from Maybelline, and I'll be taking all the 3 shades and blushing the apples of my cheeks and the tip of my nose and little bit on my chin, because why not. Then I'll be contouring my nose with Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and then blending it out with a sponge again. And to lock all the makeup in place and melt the powder, I'm using a generous amount of the setting spray from Essence. And then finally giving a last blend with a sponge. And for my highlighter, I'm using this Juvia's Place highlighter in the shade Nefertiti. Every time I use this highlighter, I get blown away because it got such nice pigment and it is not chunky at all. Then I'll be using a lip liner from Swiss Beauty, and it comes in a set of 12, lining my lips and then applying a lipstick from Faces Canada in the shade Magnetic. And here is my completed look.
You're driving me crazy, driving me crazy, driving me crazy. Your body's amazing, your body's amazing. The way your body's in the place, you're driving me crazy.